Namaste. Today we will continue with the 20th sloka in chapter 2. Na jāyate mriyate va kadācin nāyaṁ bhūtvā bhavitā va na bhūyaḥ ajo nityaḥ śāśvato'yaṁ purāṇo na hanyate hanyamāne śarīre. Na jāyate mriyate va kadācin nāyaṁ bhūtvā bhavitā va na bhūyaḥ अजः नित्यः शाश्वतः अयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने śarīre. Bhagavan has taken this mantra from Kathopanishad, which goes like this. न jāyate mriyate va vipaschit nāyaṁ kutaśchinna bhabūva kaśchit ajo nityaḥ śāśvato'yaṁ purāṇo na hanyate hanyamāne śarīre. Bhagavan is trying to teach that Atma is nirvikarah, is changeless, and the changes happen in the body. Generally, Shastras mention that the body has 6 vikaras or changes or states. Asti, jāyate, vardate, viparinamate, apakshiyate, vinashyati. Asti meaning coming into existence in a mother's womb or coming into existence. Jāyate meaning birth. So, where the śarīram or the body has the first state of coming into existence and the second state of birth. The third state is vardate, meaning growth. Usually, when you take a human body, it grows till say 18 or 20. Asti, jāyate, vardate, then viparinamate or changing. In a human body, the changes happen say from 20 to 50. Then apakshiyate, deterioration. The body starts deteriorating and finally vinashyati, it's destroyed. These 6 states are for the body or śarīram and not for the Atma. Now let's go into the sloka. Na jāyate, Atma is never born. Na mriyate, Atma never dies. Kadācin, so never ever. So never ever is Atma born, or it is never ever it dies. Meaning that I am birthless and deathless. Atma is birthless and Atma is deathless. To further emphasize it, Bhagavan says, Na ayam bhūtvā bhavitā. Bhūtvā meaning being present, bhavitā meaning not present. Meaning what is seen today or present today and which goes out of existence tomorrow in the future. Simply means death. Death is something where you see the presence and it goes out of existence. Similarly, abhūtvā bhavitā, which is not present but comes into existence, namely birth. So Bhagavan here clearly points out that Atma does not have birth or death. He continues saying that Atma is ajah. Ja in Sanskrit means janma. A negates the meaning. So ajah meaning birthless, nityaḥ, eternal, which means it has been present in the past, present and future. Śāśvataḥ, śāśvat, bhavah, śāśvatah. What's the difference between śāśvatah? We know is something which is permanent. So what is the difference between nityaḥ and śāśvatah? Nityaḥ meaning that it is ever present, and śāśvatah meaning it is present, changeless. There are no changes. Finally, purāṇah. Pura api nava eva. Even though it is old, it is like the new, meaning there is never ever any change. It's very ancient. And na hanyate, it's not killed in hanyamāne śarīre. In the body that is killed, it is Atma is never killed. Now, Acharya Shankaracharya maps the 6 vikaras to what Bhagavan says here. By saying na jāyate, Bhagavan has negated the state of jāyate for Atma. The transformation of jāyate is not there for Atma. By saying na mriyate, Bhagavan has negated the state of vinashyati for Atma. By saying purāṇah, pura api nava eva, even though it is old, it is like new, meaning that there is no new thing coming in. So, Acharya has said in his bhashyam that Bhagavan has negated the state of vardate by saying this. Na hanyate, there is no cuts or anything. Hananam means getting cut, getting slain, etc. So, by saying na hanyate, Bhagavan has said that there is no viparinamate or modifications. By saying śāśvato'yaṁ, permanent, Acharya says Bhagavan has negated apakshiyate, which is deterioration. And finally, bhūtvā bhavitā or bhūtvā bhavitā, not being not present, coming into existence, Bhagavan has negated the asti state. So Bhagavan has negated all 6 transformations of the body for Atma. Simply put, all these 6 transformations are for the body and not for the Atma. Atma is nirvikaraha. It is changeless. We will continue with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.